First thing we're going to do is remove this right here. Use your 8mm. The next thing we're going to do is move to right here. I'm going to push this to the side, lift it up, and then draw this off. At this point, you can grab this, give it a wiggle. This one, give it a wiggle. Move along to your power steering. Along to the coolant reservoir, 8mm. We can lift this up, set that out of the way as well. Let's get this off of here, push on this little tab, slide this off. There it is. Now we're going to remove the upper bolts that hold the fan shroud to the radiator using an 8mm. Move that, lift this right up and out of here. Twist. You want to be very careful for your radiator cooling fins while you're doing this. It's time to install this. It's got its brand new airflow temp sensor in there. We're just going to carefully slide it down in here, being very careful not to damage any of those radiator fins. Carefully slide it down and set it into those grooves, and then pull it forward so it matches up. Let's get our mounting bolt in there. Get this electrical connector back on here. Make sure you click it in and then give it a tug to make sure it doesn't come off. Let's get this back on here. Grab our mounting screws. Grab that power steering. Get it up on here. We've got our mounting screw as well. Get this back on here. Listen for a click. Give it a tug. Let's snug these up. Be careful not to strip them. If you tighten them to the point they strip, you need to replace them. Beautiful.